Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to convert a lead into a contact or a deal in the Zoho CRM. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the code for getting the access token which we are following from the last videos. Okay, so convert lead to contact or a deal. So this is the code for that one, and this is only that code. Okay, so add this let's comment this. Okay, so here we have the full-fledged code. And convert lead, replace with your actual lead id. So this lead id, suppose like this is the lead, right? I want to convert into the contact. Okay, so here I'm going to add this lead id. Okay, and what we are trying to do over here, so this is the action convert. Okay, so here we have the convert lead, pass the lead id. This is a function to get the access token. Okay, and set true to override the existing contact account if exist, right? And notify the lead owner. Okay, and the deals name is this one, closing date, stage and everything. Okay, so this is what. And here we have the actions convert and the data we have to send. Okay, and in the headers we have to send the authorization token, that is this token, and the lead converted successfully. So here we are going to do that one, right? So let's save this and let's check. So here, what is the status of this lead? For this is lead owner is this Keyworm Pink, I guess. I think it's James. Which one? I think this is the lead at 9205339. I think yes, this is the lead. This is the option that is convert, right? So here we are going to convert it. Let's run the code. Let's see. Node lead.js, contacts, deals and the accounts, lead converted successfully. Okay, so let's see, this is our this. Let's open in a new tab for this. So here we have the all leads, my converted leads. So here you can see that this lead is converted. Okay, let's go to the contacts. It is added contact name, and in the deals we have James should be there. Okay, let's open this. Sometimes it's misbehave like this, I don't know. Okay, so here you can see that the motivational coaching package. So this is the deal that we have. Okay, so this is how the deal is converted. So any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.